Hey y'all, Taylor Lauren here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about my life as a beauty queen, as a wife, and as a mama. Y'all, we are back to filming in the car. This morning I dropped Blair off at school. I'm actually waiting to go get her for early dismissal. Today is Halloween. So they're having early dismissal so that they can trick or treat around the different classrooms. So I got up, and instead of going back home to take a nap and sleep, I got up, I came to Starbucks, I was writing a little bit, and now I'm waiting to go get her. So I thought I would film a video, and I'm just so happy with my car mount that I got from Five Below, because now I've been filming in the car a lot lately, and it has just helped me feel like super like productive and like multitaskful or whatever. So yeah, y'all, today I'm going to be sharing with y'all the details of how I film. A couple weeks ago, well, at the time that you see this video, it'll be months ago now, but typically when I film a month in advance, I will like post my YouTube studio content page like on my story, and like for like a tease for like upcoming videos or whatever. And my responses and the support and the encouragement from like my IG community and hopefully spilling over to my YouTube community has just been very encouraging, and it's made me feel very nice. And I know we're in an age where like everyone is starting a YouTube channel and, you know, trying to grow social media wise, and, you know, just be influencers, if not full-time, then definitely like part-time. And it's hard to figure out like how to start and figure out a schedule and what works for you, especially in the beginning. Like, we all know the big YouTubers, you know, have their editors and their DSLR cameras and all that kind of stuff. But it's just like, how do you start when you're just starting out? How do you start when you start small, right? And I'm on the cusp of 500 YouTube subscribers. I think I have 346 right now, and my original goal for the end of 2023 was to have 100, or not 100, Lord have mercy, to have 1,000. I don't know if I'm gonna hit that, but I definitely want 500 by the end of the year, by the end of 2023. I'm just trying to be like realistic with myself, and I recently bought the TubeBuddy subscription. I really only use it for hashtags and title like title idea generations, and within the first week of me using it, I had 10 new subscribers. So it's working, it's doing something. And I still have to play with it a little more to figure out all of the other things. But it can just be hard to manage, like being a wife, being a mom, and then still managing like your dreams outside of that or in conjunction with that. Or if you work, if you're a single parent, whatever you're doing, it could just be difficult to manage life in general. So I just wanted to share with you guys kind of what the journey has looked like for me with my YouTube channel and just with content in general. So let's get into the video. Right, y'all, so I've had my YouTube channel for a while, like back in my nannying days, but I would say I started getting like serious about it when Corey and I got engaged, because I was really excited about sharing content as like a family woman who was about to get married and, you know, wanted to be a mom and all that kind of stuff. And that was probably like 2020, 2021. And then we had Blair, and I started like filming at night, filming on the weekends. And something that I've always done is I have always scheduled my YouTube videos. That has just been really helpful for me, because it can be a lot to film and edit and then upload all in like the same day or like at the same time. So Monday has always been my upload days. I just upload once a week on Mondays. That is what works for me. If every day or twice a week or every other day or 3 times a week, if that works for you, that works for you. But once a week is my sweet spot, and it makes me feel more productive because I have my filming days and then I have my upload days, and I'm literally able to batch film like 2-3 months in advance. Like at the time of this video, it is Halloween. I already have videos filmed up through like the first 2 weeks of December. So sometimes doing less makes you feel like you're doing more, and that's just kind of like the spot that I'm in right now. So Mondays are my upload days. As far as my filming days, it's been a little sporadic. I started out filming Saturday mornings, and I started filming at night. Um, and now that Blair is in school, she's been in school since August, September, so for 3 months. So for the past 3 months, I have felt very productive because when she's at school, that's my mommy time, and my mommy time is really like my work on my dreams time. So that's when I work on my writing, that's when I film and edit, when I take naps. Like, that's just my mommy time. So Tuesday, Thursdays are the days that I film and edit. I'm the type of person, I have to film and edit like in the same sitting, because if I don't, I will forget to edit and I will just procrastinate and put it off. Honestly, my average video is probably like 12 minutes long, and it takes me maybe like an hour to edit. Um, so yeah, just from editing and uploading it and putting my thumbnail and getting it scheduled and doing the end screens and the title generation and the hashtags and all of that takes me about an hour. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays when Blair is at school, those are my days to film and edit, and to schedule and to post it and everything. Tuesdays and Thursdays is also when I post content on IG. Um, and I was doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but that just became like a lot for me. So now, before I start filming on Tuesday, Thursday, I'll just post to IG, Facebook, whatever, whether it's a selfie, whether it's a photo, whether it's a reel, and I alternate between photos, reels, photos, reels, photos, reels. I just kind of like how that content flows for me. And that's easy content for me to create. When I post videos on Monday, when my videos go live on Monday, when my YouTube videos go live, I post them on 3 platforms: and my IG stories, on my Facebook profile, and on Pinterest. And I always include the link. And yeah, and in Canva, that's where I do my thumbnails. I do have Canva Pro, and in Canva Pro, I take the YouTube thumbnail, I resize it to Pinterest size, and it automatically saves to my phone, in a Canva folder. And that is how I just kind of like go in and post things. And I do everything on my phone, and because of that, I make sure I'm trying to be aware of my storage. And like, once I post a thumbnail or a video or whatever, I delete it. I don't think I've gotten to the point where like I'm worried about like hard drives or anything like that. So yeah, that's just kind of my system. I do have a Google Pixel for a phone. My husband just got the 7, and I'm really excited to get the 8, like eventually at some point. We are a Google family household. When Corey and I first were dating, I had iPhone, and he was like, "Oh no, 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 this is not going to work." So we have Google Pixels. And I love my Google Pixel phone. I love the way it films. I love the camera on it. And I just can't wait to get the 8 because I know it is going to be bomb. And yeah, I use the apps that I use. And I'll tell you guys through my phone to show you all of this. But I use Canva for thumbnails. I use InShot to edit my videos. And YouTube Studio. And I just love that in this season of like being a small creator and growing, I can do everything on my phone. I really only use my computer, my laptop, for like my end screens and the title generation and hashtag, just because I kind of like to see those things on a bigger view. But everything else is done on my phone, y'all, and that's just kind of what my process has been. My filming schedule has changed a lot since like becoming a mom, but for me, the thing is just like staying consistent. Life changes, schedules change, and you have to fit stuff into your new schedule as life changes, as your schedules change. And that has been like a big area of discipline for me. If Blair's school schedule were to change tomorrow, I need to make a priority to fit my filming schedule to work with that, if that makes sense. So now Tuesdays and Thursdays are like my filming days, my posting days, or my content posting days. And then Mondays are when I like promote that stuff. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna like flip y'all around and like take you through my phone and do a voiceover so you guys can kind of see the apps that I use, see how I post things, see how I have things organized, because I know that's very helpful for me. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so here is my home screen, and I'm gonna take you guys through my upload days. So what Mondays look like for me, I'm just gonna go in and show you guys with a video that I've already uploaded. I'm gonna use my Lithonia Fall Fest performance here. So with the video, with my videos already being scheduled, I just have to go in and promote them. So I'm gonna copy the link because it's already there, and I uploaded to 3 platforms. First, I'm gonna go into my trash and restore the Pinterest thumbnail for it so you guys can see exactly how that looks. And I'm gonna go in and show you how I promote it on my stories and IG. I just had to make sure that it was there. And okay, there it is. This is the thumbnail that we're gonna be using. I'm gonna go to IG. I'm gonna go to my stories, and we're gonna go in my camera roll and find that Pinterest version of the thumbnail for the Fall Fest performance. There it is. I'm gonna make it smaller. I'm going to paste the link. There it is. And then I'm gonna add a little new YouTube video thing to it just to make it like a little more exciting. I'm just going to position those. I'm going to make the link bigger, and then I would hit add it to my stories, and that's how I would do that. But we're not going to do that today because I'm just showing y'all this video is already live. And so now for Facebook, I'm going to post it. For Facebook, it's super easy. I just have to copy the link or paste the link, and the YouTube link comes up with the thumbnail. Pretty simple. And for Pinterest, when I promote the videos on Pinterest, I'm going to show you guys the pins that I've already created that have the YouTube video link, the pairing YouTube video. So that's that. And I just have to upload the pin. I'm going to go to create pin. Similar process to IG stories. We've got to find the appropriate thumbnail. I do have to add the title in there and then paste the link, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, now I'm going to take you guys through the apps that I use. All right, y'all, so here's my home screen. I already have my vision board for 2024. I made a digital vision board in Canva. At the time of this filming, it's October, but y'all will probably see this video in December. So I already have my goals up. I want to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers next year. I'm hoping to hit 500 by the end of the year, by the end of this year, 2023. I want to keep growing my bling business with like bling tumblers and like custom items. Finish writing my book. This has been very difficult for me all year, writing my book and then saving money. But I finally have a good writing schedule that coincides with my filming schedule when B is at school. And then next year, I also want to start a blog just about mommy and wife and family woman lifestyle in combination with like my pageant life. Basically, the blog version of my YouTube channel, and continue to save with the savings challenges. So I'm going to take you guys through like my camera reel and how I have things organized. So these are video clips that I need to edit and upload. And then I'm taking you guys through my Canva folder of how I have my thumbnails organized when I promote new videos every Monday. And when I film reels and videos, they save to this InShot folder. So this is a reel that I have to upload. And then let's see where we're going next. So what I use to edit and upload InShot. I know there's a lot of different ones, a lot of different apps out there. I've been using InShot for years, like since I was in undergrad, and it's so user friendly. I've been using it for the longest time now, so I know it in and out. I just love the different features. of it and all kinds of stuff. As I'm filming this video and editing it now, I'm editing it in InShot, and it's just very user friendly. Just play around with it, and it's great. And once you upload stuff, you can automatically upload it to various platforms. Like I can, once this is done editing, I can upload it to YouTube from the app,
Hey y'all.
which I really, really like, and just makes it like super duper convenient. And this is just the different like resolutions and everything. So now I'm going to take you guys to my YouTube studio and kind of how I have everything there set up. Like I said before, I do everything from my phone. It's just super easy, as just the lifestyle that I have, and as a busy mom, I don't always have time to grab my laptop. So if Blair and I are at the park, I can edit and do stuff, while we're out and about. And as you can see, I have videos scheduled up through December. And let's see, I think I'm going to take you guys to Canva next. I do have Canva Pro, and I specifically have it for the resizing tool, where I can take my YouTube video thumbnails and then resize them for Pinterest, because I promote my new videos that come out scheduled every Monday on my Facebook account, on my Instagram account, and on my Pinterest account. So I want to make sure that the thumbnails work for all of those. I can use my YouTube thumbnails for my story and for my Facebook account, but Pinterest has specific measurements. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys what that looks like and how I can take a YouTube thumbnail and resize it. Everything doesn't transfer over exactly. I have to go in there and like change the size of things, but everything that was there before is there, and I don't have to worry about trying to recreate a similar thumbnail. I essentially just resize it and make everything bigger. And then I can download it, and it saves to my Canva camera roll. Yeah, so now I'm just downloading it, and I'll take you guys back to my camera, and it will save there. And I try to create the thumbnails in the order of the video, in the order of the videos that are being released, so I don't have to worry about, oh, wait, which one is coming out today. They're already in order. So I can just start from the bottom and work my way up. And since I was just showing you guys how I did this one, so I'm deleting that one. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That is how I film and organize and stuff.